Myanmar snub-nosed monkey. Another amazing representative of the animal world is the Myanmar snub-nosed monkey, or Stryker's rhinopithecus, a species of thin-bodied monkeys that was discovered by scientists in Burma in 2010. This unusual animal was found by a group of researchers led by John Stryker. Myanmar snub-nosed monkeys live in only one population of about 300 individuals. In addition to their black color with a white muzzle, the main feature of these monkeys is their deformed, raised nose. Local hunters say that during the rain, the monkey sneezes loudly because water gets into its nose. Therefore, during the rain, she can often be seen sitting with her head down between her knees.